Okay, so thanks to my helmet cam, we can go through this bicycle safety check. Sort of thing you might do. You haven't got a stand, but you just want to make sure whether your bike's safe to ride. So here we go. Let's start at the back here. Grab the wheel and move it from side to side. Yeah, you can see there's quite a lot of movement in there. Can you see that movement? So that's loose bearings. That definitely needs adjustment. No, let's give it a bit more of a shaking. Yeah, see all this movement here on this swinging arm? I don't think you can adjust that on this particular sort of bike. Just to be aware, it's a bit slack. Very slack. I wouldn't ride it myself, but there you go. Here's your bottom bracket, your pedals and your bottom brackets. The same, give them a shake. They're fine. There's not too much movement there. That's pretty good. Now let's move along to the front wheel. Oh yeah, see, that's nice and firm. That's what it should be like. Now let's check the headset here. Best way to do that, stand by the front of the bike, put on the front wheel and move it forwards and backwards. Whoa, baby, look at that. If you grip there, you can feel there's lots of movement there. What's going on here? The forks are shot, you can see that. See how they're moving like that? Oh, and this is really wobbling. I mean, this bicycle needs careful riding. No, do the brakes work? So left hand, back brake, then put it on. All right, you know, it does kind of work. Can you hear that noise? So that's disc brake pads, probably got oil contamination and they're squeaking a bit. It wasn't too bad, but it's not great. Front brake, yeah, that works okay. Oh, so there we are then. So we got bearings, headset, shot forks, the frame, you know. I mean, it's okay, isn't it? This is horrible. Can you see this? That needs an end cap, so that's going to go really frayed, and that means that cable will be no good. And let's put a new cable on, which will cost, you know, quite a lot of money compared to the cost of an end cap, which would be pence. So let's do that. Okay, I think that's about where we can go on here. Thanks very much. You've been watching Bike the Future TV.